Were you present? Was there, you were checking Musumba living with the county property? Why Josephine? Why Josephine? Tell us. Because which document were you protecting? Because those are payment vouchers, specific thing that we were told to protect. Because she was just moving to finance one floor up. Thank you.
Which power does you have to suspend Josephine or to give Josephine transfer? Because Josephine was interviewed by board. That's why I asked you before. Are you secretary to the board? Or because you know?
The powers that I hold, unless a county secretary is just a secretary, but there are powers vested upon the county secretary also as a head of public service. Pursuant to section 72(2) of the County Government Act, the county secretary has powers to deploy officers from one sector to another. Within a sector is a chief officer. And that is why, after deploying an engineer to act, not to fully take over, to act in the position of CEO Ward Development Fund, the officer who was there was requested, or rather, by using the word requested, I do not want to say directed, but was directed to kindly report to the CEC Finance and Economic Affairs for assignment of new duties.
Sorry, Bana CS, you just said the county secretary has powers to deploy directors or other people.
I can also see some members also have interest.
Yes.
It is not a secret.
Members or chairman.
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 I'm saying there are some members who have interest, but we are up to the challenge. We will be able to deal. And I want to encourage this committee. Be steadfast.
Chairman.
Thank you, Chairman.
The witness can leave. See you in 14th, Chairman.
Order, please. Chairman. Order.
Chairman, I think, Chairman, if you are here to protect the acting county secretary, you should move aside from that chair to give that position to another person until the next meeting.
Order, please.
You are an interested party.
Confident now. Don't joke with the committee.
Yes.
You are not here to joke, Bana.
Chair, maybe put the committee, let us put the committee in order. The member has raised a very critical issue, and when we discuss, we do it as a sober. We discuss Josephine, and then Bananado, because my brother has raised a member of Eastleigh South, who is, he's asking the acting CS who is in front of us.